Students, I am going to explain the dielectric and electric polarization. Actually dielectric क्या है? असल में अभी तक हमने देखा कि कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर मीन्स डाइलेक्ट्रिक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जिसमें या तो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बहुत कम है या नहीं है. तो जस्ट लाइक इंसुलेटर we can say that, but there is some certain difference also. Dielectric shows electrical effect also. So what will be the electrical effects? I will see it in this discussion. And there are two types of the molecules. One is the non-polar molecules and another is the polar molecules. आपने इसको केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा होगा. और polar molecules means net dipole moment is there for a molecule, and non-polar molecule means there is no net dipole moment of that molecule. Actually dipole moment means if there is a dipole, then that is dipole moment. Means for a dipole, you know that there is a separation of the small charge by a small distance, then we can say that it is dipole, so it has a dipole moment. And separation means just like a polarization. Polarization means we can say that suppose I am going to give a certain visualization. Suppose this is the nucleus and this is the center of the positive charge, and the electrons are distributed in this way, and this distribution is completely symmetric. Then we can say that the center of all this center of all this negative charge will coincide at this point where positive charge is there. So in that case we can say that it has no any dipole, because there is no separation of the effect of charge, and this is the non-polar molecule. The example is hydrogen S2 or O2 is the example of the non-polar molecule. And for the polar molecule, suppose by any region, in effect of electric field or other any region, suppose the distribution is in this way, means suppose positive and electrons are distributed in this way. Most of the electrons clouds are shifted in right side, so the center of this negative charge is there, and we can say that this is the dipole, because the effect of charge, this is positive, effective charge is positive and negative, and so it is a dipole. So it is a dipole moment. So the polar molecule will show a individual electric dipole, and the example is the SCl. We can see that SCl is the example of the polar molecule. Now I am going to explain what will be the effect of the polar or non-polar molecule when it is placed in the electric field. And मैंने इस पहले से बना के रखा है एक फिगर, आप देखिए इसको. Suppose this is the symmetrical distribution, means the center of mass of the all negative charge and positive charge will coincide, so the net dipole moment of the individual molecule is 0, so it is a non-polar molecule. And now there is no external electric field, so I have written here the E is equal to 0, and in this case the net dipole moment is 0. Now this substance is placed in the external electric field, and suppose the direction of the electric field in this direction. This is the direction of electric field, and there is a shifting of all the electrons in this way, means we can say that the shifting of the electrons clouds in this way. So the center of the electrons will shifted at left side. So individual, now due to this external electric fields, individual molecule becomes a dipole, and this is the polar effect, and hence we can say that the net charge of this surface is negative and this is the positive. So it is the polarization of the charge, and in this case suppose this electric field is E0, and there is also an electric field due to this polarized charge, and this is the electric field in this direction. This is the electric field due to polarized charge. So the net electric field in this case is E naught minus EP. So this is the net electric field, and we can say that, but electric field is not zero here, because here in this case that not just like the conductor. In conductor electrons are free, but here electrons are not free. Only the surface shows the negative and this positive. So this complete sample, this complete substance will show a net, will give a net dipole moment, and so there is an electric field, but this electric field is less than external electric field but not equal to zero. So we can say that electric field will be reduced. Now come to the polar molecule. The polar molecules, individual molecules are already is a dipole moment, and it has also a dipole moment also, means the dipole moment is in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. It means we can say that in absence of electric field they are aligned randomly. वो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में aligned है, कोई इस डायरेक्शन में, कोई इस डायरेक्शन में, random aligned है, इसलिए कोई भी सरफेस इसका नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव नहीं दिखाएगा. लेकिन ऐसे इस सब्सटेंस को भी एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में अगर डालते हैं तो देखेंगे क्या कि ये एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, चूंकि यहाँ पर दो फोर्स काम करता है. एक क्या होता है कि थर्मल एनर्जी के कारण इसके अपनी रैंडम मोशन होते हैं, रैंडम होता है. इसके पास भी अपनी एनर्जी है थर्मल के कारण, और जिसके कारण से रैंडम होगा और रैंडम है. और दूसरा फोर्स इसके पास इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स हुआ, तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स ट्रेंड इस प्रकार करेगा कि सबकी जो एक एंड है वो लेफ्ट की तरफ होगा. देखिए निगेटिव यहाँ लेफ्ट है, यहाँ भी निगेटिव ऑलमोस्ट लेफ्ट है, ये निगेटिव ऑलमोस्ट लेफ्ट है, ऑलमोस्ट लेफ्ट है, और यानी ये सरफेस निगेटिव होगा और ये सरफेस अब ये पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट दिखाएगा. इफेक्टिव चार्ज यहाँ निगेटिव और ये पॉजिटिव होगा. इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा, ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, अब सपोज करो एज यू नो सिग्मा पी मीन्स चार्ज इंड्यूस्ड चार्ज डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया, surface charge. So the minus p induced charge is there, or it is positive induced charge, and so it will also show the net. It will also give the net dipole moment by the combination of all individual dipole, because this is given, and the net dipole moment is what given volume is have certain value, and so we can say that it is also it will also give the net dipole moment. And here also when it is placed in the external magnetic field, suppose this is the external magnetic field है, then the net magnetic field inside this, the external minus induced, and this will reduced by a factor, and that factor will be discussed in the next days or next topics. And thus we can say that either it may be polar or it may be non-polar dielectric. It will show the electric effect, means there is a reduction in the electric field inside the dielectric when it is placed under the external magnetic field. So this characteristic will help in another equipments, and we can say under instruments, and this concept will be used in condenser also.